am on top of the world. Guys, I don't know how to describe you, but I have. Guys, I'm in fantastic, beautiful. Oh my. Okay. Over there. See, I don't know, guys, if you can see the steam. You know, I mean, it's the mist from the water splashing. Guys, absolutely phenomenal. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, guys. Wow. I'm gonna try to go down, and guys, if you love nature and wonders of nature, this is the place to go. So beautiful. Gonna walk all the way down.
Another way to get up.
Plenty of rocks, and you know, you can smell the smell of sulfur from the steam or the mist from these waterfalls. And because Iceland has lots and lots of volcanoes, it's really made up of volcanoes, craters, and waters and lavas and waterfalls. Look at that, guys, down there. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, so I was just taking those, I don't know how many steps, like, because we have to go back up to the bus, and our tour guide is waiting for us up there, so I have to walk, I don't know how many steps, maybe 100 steps, or I don't know, I did not count, but guys, it's so worth the time and money to come to this country. Look on the waterfalls. Okay, guys. Okay. Take. How many more steps? Let me count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Third and step. So how many? So it's more than 130 steps. Now I take another, so 130 steps plus 26 steps. So I guess this is 156 steps for us to get to our bus. That's how it is here in Iceland. It just rains on and off, and here in Iceland, it's daytime, 24 hours a day. So in summertime, you cannot really even see darkness here in Iceland. It's all in bright during the entire 24 hours. And now I have to find the bus. Have to find our tour guide. I don't know where he's at. I lost my company. Oh, they're there. Now we're back. We're here at the top view. A while ago we were down there in the bottom of here. Our tour guide, our bus. The power of nature. We're all the way at the bottom. Here I am. Wow. The power of waterfalls.